Okay, this video is going to have two little parts. One is cloning the repo for the class lectures to your computer, which will be useful. You can keep up to date with all the textbook sections as I put them in, and you'll also have access to the lecture files, the presentations or the slides as they're ready to go. They'll already be on your computer as long as you sync them. All right? So to do that, I've pulled up the repo for the class for this semester is like Data Sci-Fi 2021. I'm going to copy and paste the URL for the repo. Now I'm going to open GitHub Desktop. And to clone it, I would clone a new repository by selecting the URL menu, pasting in the URL, and putting it inside of the GitHub folder, which is the folder where I put all of the code that I download. Now that you've done that, let's say that I'm working on some code. It's called Untitled. I'll go to the lectures or the textbook inside of the repo that's now been downloaded to my computer for the class textbook, and I'll open the file that I'm interested in. In this case, it's the Python page that you're on. And you notice how I grabbed the tab and I dragged it to the right and it snapped in place. I'm going to copy the Python essentials over to this. And that's all I have to do. I simply grab to the left and I drag over and it's a copy. Now this also grabbed the arithmetic. Let's grab a couple more. The pro tip is that you can click where at the first cell you want, hit shift, and then point down like so. And every time I do this, it grabs a new cell. I simply wait till the cursor is this kind of 4-directional arrow, meaning that I'm grabbing the right thing. I drag it over. Voila.